Now we're going to talk about the 908, Matrix 908 installation. So as part of the 908, you have your primary harness, your main harness plugs into the back of it. And this harness also will plug into your CAN connection that'll allow you to plug into your Radeon for automatic section control. On the other end of it, it plugs into power and also has your ISOBus connection. So when you plug into the IC45 or IC45 and DynaJet combination, it's on the other end of that. And we'll show those connections here in a following video. So we're going to go through as part of the setup steps here, we'll talk about our GPS receiver and all of that. We're going to get started on this. So as part of the wizard here, you've got your language is English, units US, time zone, we're in the central time zone here. Enter a unique name is required. So we're going to tell it that it's a sprayer. Save. Inline direction to hitch point. So where is the hitch? It is aft of vehicle pivot point. Pivot point is the non-steerable axle. In this scenario, which would be the rear axle, and our boom is behind the rear axle. So we are aft of pivot point. Inline distance to hitch. So as you look at the graphic here, so inline distance from hitch, so if you're going from the wheel to a pull tight, or in our scenario, we're from the wheel to a hitch for the 3-point hitch, and for us on this particular sprayer here, it is a total of 3 feet. Lateral distance to hitch, so is the hitch offset or is everything center? Everything's on center here. So we're going to look at it here, inline direction to antenna. So we were talking about our antenna earlier that is mounted up top, and is it forward of vehicle pivot point, which is our rear axle, or aft? In our scenario, it is forward of our vehicle pivot point. Sorry, I pushed the button too fast. Forward of our vehicle pivot point. Inline distance from pivot point to the GPS antenna. And here, it is a total of 5 feet. Save. Lateral, so is it on center, left of center line, or right of center line? Here, on this sprayer, as you can see, we're looking at the front, looking to the rear, which appears to be to the right. It's actually sitting to the left of center line, and it's sitting to the left of center line 4 inches. So we'll come back over here and we'll say that it is left of center line, a total of 4 inches. Save. And then down here at the bottom, we will click save again. Vehicle setup complete. Would you like to make it the active vehicle? Yes.